Hi everyone, it's me Nina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make ube cheese Danish. So here are the ingredients that we need. We need all-purpose flour, and we also need 1 egg yolk, salt, unsalted butter cut into chunks, and also cream cheese cut into chunks too. And for the cream cheese filling, we need cream cheese. We also need ube extract, granulated sugar, ube halaya, and coarse sugar for our toppings. So let's start to make the cream cheese filling first. Okay, so in a bowl, just combine all the ingredients for our cream cheese filling, and then use a hand mixer to blend or to mix everything until it becomes smooth. So transfer the cream cheese filling into the separate container with cover, and then chill or freeze it for an hour until it becomes hardened. Okay, so in a separate bowl, just combine a flour and salt, mix to combine, and then we're gonna add the cold unsalted butter and cream cheese chunks, just a little by little. And then I am going to use a pastry blender. If you don't have a food processor, or if you have a food processor, you can just pulse it. But I'm using a pastry blender. If you're using a pastry blender, just grip the handle and press the blades down into the butter or the flour mixture, and then the blender will cut the butter into pieces. And then twist the blender a half turn and then lift up and repeat several times in quick motion. And then add your egg yolk, and then repeat the process. Just twist the blender a half turn and then lift up and repeat several times in a quick motion again. And then add the remaining butter and cream cheese until the dough is moistened and crumbly with curd-like pieces. Okay, so your dough will be soft after you blend them together. So all you have to do is just shape them into a ball like, and then wrap it with a cling wrap or a plastic wrap, and then chill it for 20 minutes in the refrigerator. After 20 minutes, remove the dough from the refrigerator, unwrap it, and place it on a lightly floured work surface. And then divide the dough into two. Then dust the top of the dough lightly with flour. Then use a rolling pin to roll it into a 10 to 11 inch square, or just under an 1/8 inch thick. Just sprinkle more flour and turn as necessary so the dough doesn't stick. So divide the dough into equal parts, and then if your dough is soft, just place them into a plastic wrap and chill it for 20 minutes in a refrigerator. So when the dough is ready, we're gonna add our cream cheese filling that we placed in the freezer earlier for an hour, and then we're gonna cut into small pieces and then place the filling in the middle of the dough, and then we're gonna brush it with egg wash by the edges, and then fold on top side of wedges over filling, and then using fork press edges to seal the dough. Okay, so brush again each dough with egg wash, and then cut several small slits on top of each dough to allow steam to escape. And then set your oven into 380 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so sprinkle each dough with coarse sugar, and then bake it for 25 to 30 minutes until light golden brown. Okay, so after 30 minutes, our ube cheese Danish is ready to serve. You can transfer the Danish into the cooling rack, or you can eat it while it's still hot or warm, or just cool it down before you eat it. So this type of Danish is similar to Porto'S cheese rolls. The only difference is it has ube filling. This is gonna be so good and very flaky and buttery. So let's try it. Okay, so you can see the sugar and then the buttery crust. You can see the ube filling. There you go. It's so good. Okay, so I hope you liked the video for today and the recipe for today. Thank you guys for watching.